TIS can control floor heating in any project using its relay channels and various types of wall thermostats. To configure the floor heater, first, you need to select the relay module to which the floor heater wire is connected. Go to the channel type and write its comment. Do not assign a room for it here. You will do that later on the thermostat keypad. If the floor heater relay is connected to the relay behind the wall thermostat, select it from the list and double-click on it. Go to Digital Output and type its comment. To assign the wall thermostat keypad to this relay, go to the Floor Heat tab and select the floor heater page. Some keypads only support one floor heater, while others support 2 pages or more. Type the floor heater's name, assign it to a room, and then press Save. To change the keypad temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit, go to the Air Conditioning tab, press the Other Setup button, and from the temperature type, select C or F and then press Save. You can adjust the temperature range settings. Enable the floor heater and set the low and high limit for the floor heater. In the floor heater parameter settings, set the limit tolerance control to be between 1 to 3 degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. This tolerance will enable the heating only if the room temperature is lower than the set temperature by more than the set tolerance. In the Control Object section, you need to input the subnet and device ID of your module that links its relay to the floor heater, then enter the channel number of the relay linked to the floor heater. The object type is by default normally open, NO. However, some floor heaters use a water valve with a normally closed NC type. In this case, you need to select Normally Closed and then press Save. For the temperature setting, you can choose to read from the internal built-in sensor or from the external temperature sensor by selecting the subnet, device ID, and the input channel of 1 or 2 different temperature sensors. The average of the internal and external readings will give the average temperature. You can test your floor heater from the floor heater status or from the wall thermostat keypad on the floor heater page. Once you finish the settings, you will see that your floor heater is saved in the database, and you can see it in the project configuration under the Rooms Manager.